We launch Google Fit and we can see all of our health data. And if we scroll down, looking at our calories, we'll notice that on August 7th, we burned about 2,000 calories. We go ahead and launch the app. We take a picture of our refrigerator. We can go ahead and collapse that if we're happy, or we can go ahead and take another picture. And once we're happy, we can go ahead and collapse that. Now we're going to give access to our health information. Currently, we're only doing exercise and total calories, but in the future, we could do more. So we see our total calories is around 2K. And we're going to go ahead and send that to Gemini. And it's going to come back with a perfect recipe from the ingredients you saw in the refrigerator that will match our workout. And here we see it came back with honey glazed salmon, and it used all the ingredients you saw in the refrigerator. It came back with a nutritious, healthy meal for us. Now, we can read it, or we can click the play button, and it will be read to us. And if we click the speaker button again, it'll stop reading. Now that we have the recipe, we can also ask it for more detailed nutrition information about the recipe that it provided. And here we get deep, rich information about all the calories, proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals that are in this dish. And so we see that by just taking a picture of our refrigerator, Gemini can help us get the perfect meal for that workout. This simplifies calorie and nutrition management significantly. By integrating Google Fit, leveraging your camera to capture ingredient images, and utilizing Gemini, you can pave a way to a healthier future for everyone. This is just the beginning. Many more features are on the way. We hope you enjoy using our app and eagerly await your feedback. Bon appetit!